Are you a beginner gardener making these common mistakes? Today, we dive into the world of gardening, shedding light on the pitfalls that could be hindering your green thumb efforts. Stay tuned to find out what these mistakes are and how you can avoid them. Let's dive into the most common blunders beginners make in their gardens. First up, overwatering. It's easy to think that plants need constant hydration, but in reality, too much water can drown them. The solution? Water your plants when the top inch of soil is dry to the touch. Remember, it's better to underwater than overwater. Now, on to choosing the wrong plants. It's important to choose plants that are suitable for your climate and soil type. Consult local gardening resources or your neighborhood nursery to get an idea of what will thrive in your area. Next, ignoring soil health. Your plants get their nutrients from the soil, so it's vital that it's healthy. Regularly add compost or organic matter to your soil to keep it nutrient-rich. Planting depth is another common mistake. Planting too deep can suffocate your plants, while planting too shallow can leave them vulnerable. As a guideline, plant seeds about 3 times as deep as the seed's width, and for seedlings, plant them at the same depth as they were in their nursery pot. Lastly, neglecting pests and diseases. Keep a close eye on your plants and act quickly at the first sign of trouble. Use organic or chemical treatments as needed, but remember, prevention is the best cure. Avoiding these mistakes can make your gardening journey smoother and more rewarding. Now that you are armed with the knowledge to avoid these common mistakes, you're on your way to a lush and thriving garden. Subscribing to our channel brings you more tips and tricks for a successful green thumb. Before you go, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more gardening wisdom.